Am I the only one that didn't know my phone could hold my bus pass, loyalty cards, and pay for coffee all in one app? Let's unlock Google Wallet's superpowers. Google Wallet is the digital Swiss Army knife for Android users in 2025. It stores your cards, tickets, transit passes, even your IDs where supported. First, open the Google Wallet app. If you don't see it, grab it from the Play Store. Sign in with your Google account, grant those permissions, trust me, you want those transit alerts, and make sure NFC is on. Look for it under Connections in your settings. Next, tap Add to Wallet to scan or type in your payment card. Follow the prompts to verify, usually a text from your bank. Want to pay in stores? Just unlock your phone and tap near the payment terminal. For bus rides, add your transit pass or use your card. No paper tickets needed. Need loyalty points or gift cards? Add them too. Just scan or enter the numbers. And don't sweat security. Google Wallet encrypts everything, and your phone's unlock is your key. Boom, digital wallet mastered, ready to tap, ride, and save.